Ćao svima! Welcome to our first step into learning Serbian, a fascinating language spoken by over 10 million people across Serbia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Montenegro or Crna Gora in Serbian, Croatia, and of course among our people in diaspora. So, in just 7 minutes, I'll try to explain you how to start learning Serbian, even if you're a complete beginner. Ready? Let's dive in. First, why learn Serbian? People decide to learn Serbian because they fall in love with culture, Balkans, Serbian people, or they have family here. If we talk about some basic stuff, you should know that Serbian has two alphabets, Cyrillic alphabet and Latin alphabet. So Serbian people have that kind of superpower to use both alphabets without thinking. The other reason is that learning Serbian will open you the doors to understand Balkan culture, which is really different and flamboyant, I would like to say. You can travel through this beautiful country and connecting with warm locals. And of course, if you decide to travel to Serbia, you would be able to try our amazing food and drinks. I suppose that you already heard about sarma or rakia. So let's cover the basics. As I said, Serbian alphabet has 30 letters, both Cyrillic and Latin alphabet. And of course, it is a phonetic language. What does that mean? It means that if you read this sentence, Ja pijem kafu, you will read each letter, and each letter will be one sound. J for Y, A. Ja pijem kafu. We don't have those kind of like diphthongs, different sounds like French, German, or any other languages. Also, there are some tricky letters. I suppose you heard about funny looking letters, the ones that have some kind of crowns, accents, etc. Those are ch, sh, zh, and I advise you to pay attention to them. They could look scary, but they are not, believe me. So, listen and repeat after me. Ch is for chocolada, chocolate. Sh, you will see it here, is for šuma, 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 like in show in English, and it will be forest, šuma. Also you have ž, so it is Z with a crown, which will be in ž, žaba, like frog, žaba. If you still struggle with those things, you can maybe check some pronunciation courses that are available on internet. Also, like, Serbian is pretty straightforward. If you see them, you will be aware of those funny looking letters. That's the idea. So if you see them, you will at one point become aware of their existence, and then you will be able to pronounce them with ease. Next up, vocabulary. So let's start with some common phrases. I suppose that you already know dobar dan, which is good day. We have hvala, which stands for thank you. We have nema na čemu, that's a funny looking letter, čemu, that will be you are welcome. And we have molim, which will be please, and also in some context could be nema na čemu. So if I say hvala, you can answer with either nema na čemu or molim. But if someone asks you something, you can say molim, like with a question mark above your head. It will be like molim, like you're not sure what you heard. Of course, you can always sign up for our group lessons that will start in February. Check our Instagram page if you want to sign up, and if you decide to learn it by yourself, that's like legit option, of course. You can try some apps like Talkpoll, Drops. My students are crazy about Drops. Duo Stories. I would recommend it just as a revision of learned things, and Closemaster, which is pretty good There are some good books that I would recommend, but for all the additional information on the topic, you can sign up for our newsletter. It's on our web page where you will get some useful information like this one from time to time. And of course, at the end, don't forget to hit that notification bell and that like button and subscribe to our channel if you want to find more useful information and tips on mastering Serbian language. Vidimo se! Ciao!